Hello friends, welcome to the 15th and the last video on film studies and literature in my channel The World of Literature. Thank you for your immense support to the series of partition literature and film studies and literature. In today's video, I will talk about the topic the enduring legacy of literary adaptations. This is the image of my book, which is literary adaptations from page to screen. This is included in many international libraries. You can get it from Amazon or Flipkart. Literary adaptations have left an indelible mark on the world of cinema, shaping the way we experience and interpret stories. These adaptations not only bring classic tales to life but also introduce them to new generation of readers and viewers. Now the question is why literary adaptations endure? Why are they timeless? Why are they permanent? So let's find out the answer. Number 1, timeless stories. Literary classics often deal with universal themes and emotions, making them timeless and relatable. For example, the film Devdas, 1979 by Satyajit Ray, is an adaptation of Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay's novel of the same name, keeping the classic tale alive for new audiences. Number 2, new interpretations. Adaptation offer fresh perspective on familiar stories, allowing the audiences to see them in new light. For example, Devdas that was made earlier. Now this Devdas is a remake by Sanjay Leela Bansari, who offers a new interpretation by making Paro a stronger and more independent character. Number 3 is cultural significance. Literary adaptations can preserve cultural heritage and provide insights into historical context. For example, the film Lagan 2001, inspired by historical accounts of Indian rebellion of 1857, the film showcases the Indian cultural heritage by depicting traditional village life, music, and cricket. The film educates the audiences about India's history, cultural practices, and the significance of Indian rebellion of 1857. Number 4, foster cross cultural exchange and identity. For example, the film Namesake 2006 is an adaptation of Jhumpa Lahiri's novel of the same name. It explores the Indian American experience through traditional Indian culture and modern American life. The film, Namesake, also portrays the contrasting experience of the immigrant parent and their American born children. Number 5, reflect societal values. For example, the film Three Idiots 2009, inspired by Chetan Bhagat's novel Five Point Someone, critiques India's education system. The film challenges the conventional education system, highlighting the pressure on students and the emphasis on rote learning over creativity and innovation. The movie encourages the students to follow their passion and dreams rather than follow societal expectations. Number 6, educate and enlighten. Umrao Jan, 1981, and adaptation of Mirza Hadi Ruswa's novel introduces the audiences to the world of 19th century Lucknow's courtesans. The film critiques the social hierarchy, class division, and gender roles of the time, offering insight into India's complex social fabric. Number 7, inspire new creations. Adaptations have sparked original works such as sequels, prequels, reimaginings, demonstrating the ongoing creative potential of literary sources. For example, Lagan's success paved the way for sports drama like Chak De India 2007, Pan Singh Tomar 2012, and Bhag Milka Bhag 2013. This is how the legacy of adaptations has lived to inspire the generations to come. The timeless and enduring legacy of film and literature will continue to promote deeper understanding of India's culture and social dynamics. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. My next series will be more informative on very important topic of literature. So keep watching. Thank you.